Oh, look, it's activity time. I've got a red tongue, a blue squeezer, a lot of colorful pom poms, a box, a scooper, and some pattern cards. Let's get started now. Here is our first pattern card. I see purple, green, blue, and yellow. Now let's match the pattern. I'm picking up with this red tongue. Let's do purple first. Here we go. Purple pom-pom in the box. And now green. Pick the green pom-pom and put it in the box. It's blue turn. And finally, yellow. We did it! We matched to the pattern card. What do we have next? We have a red and blue pom-pom pattern. Let's do it. Let's get a scooper for this. Now let's open it. Hold the red pom-pom, pick it up and drop. There you go, our red pom-pom. And now let's do blue. And then drop. There we go. We matched the pattern. Looks like we have 3 pieces in this pattern: orange, blue, and green. Now let's match the pattern. Let's pick the blue squeezer for this. Let's start with the orange. The orange pom-pom goes in the box. And now let's pick the blue. There we go. And then it's green time. We did it! We matched to the pattern card. Wow, pattern matching is so much fun. Do you want to do more? Come on into our next video.